Day 2, we're just sailing into Maui now. We're gonna get some quick breakfast before the ship docks, and we're gonna go on with our day. That's the food that we had for breakfast. It was crazy. We got some carrot, pineapple, orange, fresh squeezed juice. It was just amazing. Buffet was as chaotic as you would think a buffet would be, but we sat next door in the saloon, as I said. Just enjoying our juice, getting our sandwiches, waiting for the boat to finish docking. And then we're on to our first day in Maui. Jeep life, right? Woo!
So we docked in Maui this morning. It was gorgeous views from the cruise ship. Went to get off the ship for the first time. They've got, all the tour buses if you rent or if you book through the cruise, which we opted not to do. We booked a lot of our excursions on points, which saved us a lot of money. But we went to go get on our rental car shuttle service, which we thought we had looked into ahead of time. We go, and it turns out there is no shuttle service for Alamo at this port. Not the biggest of deals. We just had to hop in a taxi. It cost us a little bit of extra money, but other than that, no harm, no foul.
Important.
Got here, got our nice open-air Jeep, which is going to be awesome when we try to drive the road to Hana today. Got a little bit lost on our way out, but we're going to find our way.
It's right about mile 9 of the road to Hana. Some lookout point that I will mispronounce, so I will not even bother pronouncing it. People point, this is actually mile marker 9. The other one was just a little teaser, but as you can see, it clearly juts out, and look at these views. Way off in the distance, you can see our cruise ship. It looks so tiny from here. Jaws Country Store, mile marker 14 or so, maybe on road to Hana. Let's stop, get a coffee, maybe a snack. Maybe actually put our jackets on. Would have thought we'd say that here in Hawaii, but yeah, we'll see. Tara's gorgeous. Daredevil here. So we're who knows how far along on this road to Hana, and so far it's breathtaking. It's what everyone said. The views are gorgeous. The traffic is tight. It's about 15 miles an hour. The bridges are all one lane, but everyone goes slow. Everyone's in Jeeps, convertible. Like, they're all having fun. And it's not icy like back home. So taking these bridges that are one lane aren't that big of a deal. But there's kind of turn off points. There's lookout points. Like we just passed one now, and you can kind of just pull off wherever you want and either get out, take some photos, or you can just keep driving. So we're gonna keep taking this at a slow pace, and eventually we'll get to Hana. We got some coffee from this local, we got ice cream from this like Garden of Eden, some garden there, but they have a local food stand. The lady there noticed our camera and told us to come here. Big waves. So hopefully there's some surfers, so we can check out some waves and eat some lunch. So that was a cool lunch spot. So if you're heading to Hana, mile marker 14, there's a dirt road. So you'll come down sea level, and as you start coming back up, there's a dirt road on your left. It's very unmarked, looks very not there. Take it. It's this little bay that I think the waves must come right, and as you can tell, it's a very developed road. But the waves come right, and there were surfers out there, so we enjoyed a nice picnic lunch that we kind of made for ourselves on the cruise. Watched some surfing, got a lot of cool photos, got some cool videos. Just a nice, quieter, kind of more local sense. Alright, we finally made it to Hana. It's a little cloudy, but we got a great view here for lunch. We got pulled pork, and I got teriyaki beef. There's rice and mac and cheese right here. I think this is called Hana Bayfront Park or something like that. It's on the ocean, you can't miss it. So we're gonna eat, enjoy the view. Back at it. Time for the 2-hour drive back to the ship.
Too legit to quit. So our chicken just came up to our car and was hanging out. I don't know what it wanted. Probably some food, but we don't have anything to offer him, so he went on his way, which is fine. But we also just saw a cop that had pulled over looks like some local people with a huge pig in the bed of their truck. I'm assuming it's for some type of luau, but I kind of want to be invited to their party.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll be eating dinner on the cruise ship.
Got back to the room and our towel's all folded nicely. Looks like a frog. Oh, now I see it.